Hello, and today I'm very pleased to welcome you to Parkway in Bridgwater. Situated within walking distance of local schools and shops, we are showing you an extended 2 double-bedroom property, complete with a sunroom, multiple reception areas and a very generous garden. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So if you wish to book a viewing on this fantastic home or would like a valuation of your own property, then please do get in touch.